Welcome and welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm out looking for damn, what are the years? This is 2014 Ram 1500. This look like it here. Yeah. Alright, guys, this is no, this ain't nothing. It's one of those where the customer simply lost their key. And those was the words that came out of his mouth. It didn't get stolen. He just have no clue where his key is. So this is where I come in with one of these. Ta-da! Alright, guys, this is 2014, so y'all know the drill. I talk about this often. I'm not even sure why I'm filming this one, because I'm sure I have 3 videos out concerning this topic. But for some reason, everybody wants to watch this, and I don't mind filming it, editing it, and recording it. Okay, now guys, I talk about this also. You all know that you have to have a skim code, computerized skim code, security system. Every car made by FCA that's equipped, so I won't say every car, it has to be equipped, will likely have a skim code that's required security. It's for security purpose, so it's required in order to program new keys. Okay, now this is if you're a tech. Okay, they don't give this function and this feature to just, you know, the general public. All right, because if you go to the store and buy a key, now anybody can go in and buy a key, but anybody can't go in and get your skim code. You stick a key in there, you're gonna get ignition. You can hear that. You will even get run. You hear that. But if you turn the key to start, absolutely nothing. Now that is because this key is not married yet to the skim module, which is in here, the computer. So where I come in at, guys, is I have to handle that task. I have to marry that key to the skim module. So I have to tie into your data link connector, which will give me access to your bus network system. Okay, is my light green? I can't see, guys. I can't see it if the light. So your scan tool have to be powered. Now, guys, I get this question a lot. What happens if your scan tool don't power? I got a video in the progress I'm about to make to show you the couple of ports that's very important to scan to communicating. You can see there's quite a few pins on here, not that many. They'll never use all 16. This is a 16-way connector. They're not using all 16. They're only using quite a few, but the main ones are actually there it is, power supply and ground. You got to have that. Okay, that will in essence boot your scan tool. So everything else, such as the bus network, that's needed to perform task, all right, to reach the bus network system. Okay, so guys, what I'm gonna do, I got to go grab my, in this case I'm gonna use my phone to tie in. Now I'm not gonna use a computer or laptop. So guys, let me take a break right quick. Let me go grab my phone and tie into the network. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I will be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. I am back. I now have this topology pulled up. Wow, guys, look at all these modules. Now, guys, I talk a lot about the lightning bolts. The green lightning bolt simply represents a flash update. Now let's discuss the blue lightning bolt, guys, because that's likely associated with some type of flash, a must flash, some type of recall. It's associated with a recall. So follow me here. I have a blue one on the PCM, the RFH, the BCM, the ORC. Yes, can C and B. So everything that's in the blue lightning bolt represents some form of recall. So I merely have to flash update those. If that's the case, I got to go in and get all that print up and found out. But for now, I can't move the car until I have key operation. So first thing first, let's find the key features, and I think it is located in I don't see a WCM. So guys, let's try it out. RFH. All right, let's go on miscellaneous. Erase fobic. Okay, there we go. This is the function you use if you want to erase. Now, I'm not going to do that because he may find his key and it may merely start working. It will work, actually. I'm just programming an extra key. Okay, if he come back and say I want you to erase the keys, then yes, that is the feature. Erase ignition fob is the feature you use. Just say if somebody stole your keys or have an extra set of keys you don't want. But that's not where we at. We want program ignition fobic baseline. That's what we want. Use this function to program fobic when RF hub has been replaced or an addition fobic need to be added. We doing the latter, so we're going to continue. Ignition must be in the lock position. Okay, let me turn the key. Oh, hit continue. Pin, here's the pin it's asking for. Okay, and here's the pin I have on the paper, 3472. This is not a rolling skim code, so you're not pressed for time, guys. Not saying take your time, but just let you know you're not pressed for time. 3472. Hit continue. Baseline correct pin has been entered. Click yes. Click continue. Placing in the fobic and ignition is in the lock position. It's in the lock position. Hit continue. Program ignition fobic. Please wait. Now we play the waiting game, which is actually not that long, guys. So it's actually programming it with the key off, with the car off. So there's no power supply going to nothing except this RFH module. All right, come on, baby. Come to Papa. Do not let me down. I have to drive this truck into the shop, not push. All right, guys. I don't want to program another one. So let's find out where we at. There we go. Try that again. All right, new key is now programmed. Now, guys, this key, you can test your remotes, of course. Uh-oh. There we go. Lock, unlock, horn, panic. All right, now this key, depending on what style you bought, which key you purchased. Some of them come with the inserts. We call them inserts. So you may need to get you an insert. In fact, I thought I had one. It must be still in my toolbox. All right, guys, I'm pretty much done. So now I can get this car in, this truck in, and pretty much verify why all these recalls on here. Recalls are free, guys, and there are obviously safety issues. So if the manufacturer think you need to get it done, I highly suggest you hightail it out to a dealership and get those done. All right, so guys, that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.